Second method of solving linear equation in two variables is algebraic method. Algebraic method has three types. First, substitution. Second, elimination. Third is cross multiplication. So we will learn these methods by taking examples. So first of all, we will solve exercise 3.3. Question number 1. Solve the following pair of linear equations by substitution method. First question is x plus y is equal to 14, x minus y is equal to 4. Here two equations are given, equation 1 and equation 2. So first of all, we will find either value of x or y from equation 1. So here y is equal to 14 minus x. This is from equation 1. This is equation number 3. We can also find value of x, but here we find value of y. And if you find value of x or y from equation 1, put this value in equation 2. And if you find value of x or y from equation 2, put this value in equation 1. So we find value of y from equation 1. We will put this value in equation 2. So equation 2 is x minus y is equal to 4. Therefore, x in place of y, we will write 14 minus x is equal to 4. Now open the bracket, it is x minus 14, minus becomes plus, is equal to 4. X plus x is 2x, minus 14 is equal to 4. So 2x is equal to 4 plus 14. So 2x is equal to 18. So x is equal to 18 upon 2, that is 9. X is equal to 9. Now put the value of x in equation 3. So equation 3 is what? Equation 3 is y is equal to 14 minus x. This is from equation 3. So y is equal to 14 minus 9, that is 5. Therefore, we write x is equal to 9 and y is equal to 5 is required solution. Before solving this equation, we should compare value as given in third part of this question. Equation is 3x minus y is equal to 3, 9x minus 3y is equal to 9. This is equation 1 and this is equation 2. If we compare this value from standard linear equation of two variable, here a1 is equal to 3, b1 is equal to minus 1, c1 is equal to 3, a2 is equal to 9, b2 is equal to minus 3, c2 is equal to 9. So a1 upon a2 is equal to 3 upon 9, that is 1 upon 3. b1 upon b2 is equal to minus 1 upon 3 is minus 1 upon minus 3, that is 1 upon 3. Now get these two values, a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2. So we will find value of c1 upon c2. So c1 upon c2 is equal to again 3 upon 9, that is 1 upon 3. Since a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2 is equal to c1 upon c2. In this situation, infinitely many solutions exist. So we will write here infinite number of solution exist, but we need not to solve these equations.